Time to do a tune-up, guys, on a 2007 Ford Mustang. $7 mil. Love coming in this early, guys. No noises, no technicians. Just nice, peace and quiet. Just working on a car. This one is a 9/16. Yep. Whoever did this tune-up last did not put anti-seize. One, two, three, and four. Dielectric grease, anti-seize. Watercraft. And we snug them down, guys. Here, 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I never had a problem with torquing it from 1, 2, 3s, you know? After so many years of doing this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look, there's some dielectric grease. I'm gonna put it in the ignition coils. Right there. All right then. All right. And there you go. Alrighty then. And customer wanted to replace his fuel pressure rail sensor. All you gotta do is disconnect that. Disconnect that. You might have some fuel coming out of that. So you put a rag over that. Or under that. Like that. I think those are 7 mils. Not a hard job, guys. Nope, 8. Dumbass. That. Okay. Lift up. Wiggle that mamma jamma. See? Just a little fuel. Not a lot. Let's get some of that fuel right there. Just clean all this mamma jamma like that. Clean all that up. Bam. One, two, three. Insert the vacuum hose. And that's it. Simple. I told you guys it was simple. All right. Look, was that Dragon Ball Z? Is that what it is? Neutral. Woo! Now we can clear that check engine light. It was a cylinder 1 misfire. Alright, let's back her out real quick. I haven't driven a stick in a while. Alright, running good now. Smooth. Okay, so now we're gonna erase codes.